This new lift magnet was a concept that started with a customer special request, and we are proud to be able to develop a product like this and service our customers from the smallest lifting needs to very large capacity.
The LB-7Gx2 lift magnet was designed more of a square magnet than the standard LB models, which are narrower and much longer. It was designed to be like that to go into smaller, more restricted areas.
When we were first developing the LB-7Gx2, our engineering team was tossing back and forth if it was going to be an LB-14G or what it was going to be named. And when we were really looking at it, we just put two 7Gs next to each other in concept. So that's where the LB-7G2 came from, the name of it. I think the industries that will be benefited most by the LB-7Gx2 is manufacturing and steel processing facilities, possibly steel industries, as in, steel plants and mills. Anything with large weldments would benefit. Magnetic power grip has been around since the 1940s with Sunstrand, and I think this makes a great addition to our already well-established products in the Power Grip brand. We're excited to see what this product development brings our way and what our future holds for all of our products here at Obsidian Manufacturing.